what kind of battery does the Casio GBD-200 uses? So it uses like a fairly huge lithium cell like this, and the model name is the CR2032. So, and yep, better here. And so this is a model name if you want to check it out. Also, in some listings it might be mentioned as BR2032 or DL2032, but they're the same battery obviously. So if you ask and the shop, they will give you the battery. And this is a very popular battery, and this is like the most common button cell that you can get in the shop, so pretty much any store will have it. Also, what I can suggest you is don't go for like any cheap store brands. The best batteries you can put in these is either made by Sony or Renata basically. The Sony ones, I think in some Casio they put in even the Sony ones, but in some others some generic ones. But if you can get these Sony or Renata, these will last the longest time and will be the most quality and the best batteries for this watch. If you can't get them, then obviously like something like Duracell or Energizer or maybe even Panasonic. Panasonic isn't that great, but like Duracell or Energizer will be just as fine for this watch. Obviously they're not as premium as those other ones, but yeah, it'll be just fine. And what I can suggest you is do not go for like a store brand batteries like these no-name batteries that you can purchase for like a few cents, or just like some random bearish names they have it, like Amazon basic batteries, or like this JCB, or like what else you sometimes get in like some pawn shops, some Kodak batteries. Those are absolute junk and they won't last you very long. They will last maybe a month in the best case, and those are terrible. Avoid them. Make sure you get a quality brand when you purchase a battery. And also, when you purchase the battery, you will need to also purchase a rubber gasket, and I think you can order it on eBay and stuff like that. So when you change your battery, you also need to change your rubber gasket to a new one basically, because if you don't do that and reuse your old one, it won't hold its waterproof ability just as good as it did basically, and some water might get in. So especially if you are diving or swimming with this watch, make sure you properly change that rubber gasket to a new one and it's properly installed. And to change the batteries on this watch is actually kind of a bit of faff if you are doing it for the first time. So if you are swimming a lot with it and diving, I really suggest to get it to bring it to the service to change the battery, and they'll change it properly while maintaining a seal, the factory seal basically, and it will still be waterproof. Because if you do it like without knowing what to do, what you are doing, the waterproof seal, it won't be there anymore basically. And yeah, this is if it was helpful basically, make sure to hit the like button. See you.